Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have Sony Pulse Explore wireless Bluetooth earbuds for PlayStation and you need to do a hard reset to the factory default settings on them. Now you're going to want to do this for one of two reasons. The first one is troubleshooting. If you're having issues where these will not pair with your device, or they keep disconnecting, or if you're getting sound out of only the left ear or the right ear, and you've tried a soft reset, you might need to move on to this hard reset that's going to wipe everything off of it. And that's the second reason you might want to do this. If you want to get everything wiped off, just so that you can set these up as a new set of earbuds, maybe on a new device or whatever, this is going to delete all the pairing history and everything like that. So what we want to do is get our earbuds in the case as shown here, and then we're going to find this button right here, this PS Link button. And we're going to go and we're going to just quickly press it, release it, and then come and press and hold it. So quick press, release, press and hold for about 8 seconds, but you'll know that you can let go when the status indicator starts to quickly blink blue. We're going to release just for a second, and while it's still blinking, then we're going to press again for a second time and hold for another 8 seconds. And then when it starts to quickly blink blue again, then we can release it. And we'll know it's been successful. We just wait, and then if this has worked properly, when it's done, the indicator will then blink a few times in red, indicating that the reset is complete. And then you can go ahead and set these up as a new set of earbuds.